Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to pop in a quick intro. So on my face I have like some breakouts and don't mind it. My eyebrows are obviously done. If you remember a couple videos ago, I did a video about the Beauty Bar Baby Flakes that I got for Christmas, and I showed you guys one shade. I had reordered some more because they were having an amazing sale, which was buy one get one half off. If they're still having that sale, then I will put that in the description to let you guys know as of whatever date that I upload this video. But I had gotten 6 for Christmas and I have bought 8 more. So I decided maybe I'll just do a swatch video, as I don't find too many swatch videos for their multi-chrome flakes. So I'm going to be putting in a clip now showing me swatching the first 6 that I got and the new 8 that I got. And then after that I'll come back with, probably I'll just already have an eye look done with one of the new colors that I bought. And I mean, I was thinking my final thoughts, but obviously I already love them so very much. So I'm just trying to basically show some swatches. I'm gonna try an overhead type of angle and hopefully that works, I'm not sure. And we'll just see what happens. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so I have these 6 that I had for Christmas. And these are the new ones here. I have a brush, probably one of the cheapest glitter glues in the world, e.l.f. Some Joe makeup wipes if I need them. And I just want to show you guys the little card that comes with every package. Super cute. So it just says beautybarbaby.com, has a little picture there. Thank you for shopping with us, Nicole, owner / makeup guru. And it just tells you, you can follow them on these social medias here: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Also, the first package came with candies and my second package came with a lollipop as well. So it seems like they actually give you candy with your order, with every order, which is super cool. So I think first I'm going to start with the older ones and then I will do the new ones. So I'm just gonna take the e.l.f. glue and kind of spread it out. Here's what it looks like. So pretty. I'm just gonna dip my finger in it. And tap it on. It's kind of like pink and purpley and blue. So that was Venus. Next let's do Galactic Halo. I feel like I bought that one again. Yes I did, I bought that one again. I already had that one. So that's one we don't have to swatch from the new batch. But this is what it looks like. And that's Galactic Halo. So pretty. Next we have Lyra. That's what I'm assuming. Lyra. There it is. But you guys really can't get the depth of them, which sucks, but trust me, they're beautiful. This one, you get like this pink, like a darker pink, and then like a mint green and a mint blue, and maybe even a little bit of purple. It depends on, obviously, it depends on the angle, like all of them do. Next is Unicorn Horn. And that's it there. That one you really can't tell. It's blue, green, pink, and purple. That's what I can see from that. Very pretty. This one is called Mermaid Tails. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh man, I'm so mad. I feel like it's not focusing. This one right here. Oh man, is that pretty. So the last one for the ones I got for Christmas is Calypso. I feel like it's kind of blending into the other color. I could barely dip my finger in because it's so low now, because I did use that. It kind of just looks like the other shade, but it doesn't have that purple in it. It's more of like a reddish color to it. I don't think you guys will be able to tell a difference. It literally, in camera, from what I can see, it kind of looks exactly the damn same, but it's so different. So I'm going to clean this off, and then I'm going to get started with the new ones. So I'm just gonna show you guys if it's easy or hard to take them off. I would say that's relatively easy to take off, especially if you are comparing it to glitter. So here is the package. Okay, so these are the 8 new ones. Again, please excuse the angle, I'm still working on it. So out of the 8, I do have another Galactic Halo, which I already swatched. I didn't know I had gotten a repeat, but I did. So I'm not going to swatch that one. So we're only going to be swatching 7 of them, since I already swatched one of them. That's a pretty good amount. And I'm just going to spread it like all over. We are starting with Rainbow Horizon. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. Gotta get these little papers off. So again, this is Rainbow Horizon. It's really pretty. Now we're in Bellatrix. Now I like this one because it looks super different and cool. You guys can't see it. It does look very burgundy and green. I like it a lot. I understand it can be hard to see it, especially when I have it like really right up against another shade. I wish I would have spread them out. So next I'm going to go in with Constellation. This is Constellation. It looks very like a red, green, gold. Next, we're gonna do Halley's Comet. I should just show you guys like the lid, huh? I see like a purple, dark blue, dark green, dark purple too. Look, I know they like to seal these, but I really hate these seals. Like, this one was really soft and it really wouldn't peel off, and I had to push it in to get it off, which wasted a bunch of flakes. And like, flakes, they're not the cheapest thing in the world if you think about it. Like, you're not gonna get a crap ton of use out of this for 12 bucks, so. Anyways. This is Ursa, which I was super excited for. Super pretty. How pretty is that? This one is Fairy Dreams and some pink. This is Solar. This one's very gold, bronzy, purpley tones, almost burgundy tones. So those are all the shades that I just did. All the new ones besides the one that I had an extra of. And we're just gonna do one pass. That was one pass. So a little bit left. Do second pass. Pass 2. Practically all gone. I can see a little bit of specks, so I'm just gonna do some last passes. But it's all gone. It removes really, really easily. If I was using glitter on my eyes, I actually would have like took some tape to get the glitter off so the glitter's not all over my face. I don't feel like you have that much of a worry with this. I mean, it might move around a little bit, but not as much as glitter will. So obviously it's a little bit more timid than what I usually do because you guys know I like to use color, but I wanted to try something different and showcase a different one of their multi-chrome flakes. So all this shadow here is from the Too Faced Christmas Cookie collection. This gold liner here, I messed it up a little bit, so that's okay, but that's from Fenty, and it's the metallic liquid liner in Trophy Wife. Lashes, this is mascara from YSL, Shock Mascara. Bottom lashes are Wet n Wild. And then here are the flakes, and I'm trying to get y'all to be able to see it. Like in some, you can kind of see it right in the middle here. It's like that almost purpley looking color, but it's really like a burgundy. I can't explain. It's like burgundy, bronzy, and gold. Again, it's called Solar, and I thought the gold would go with it pretty nicely. So you can see a little better. I don't know. But that's the look I came up with. So again, if you guys want to know anything about the face makeup and what I thought about the Tati Beauty, then just look out for that video. But as far as these flakes go, sorry I'm gonna keep you guys doing them this whole time, but I love them. Obviously I do love this shade. I do love this shade of the Flakes 2 Solar. I think it's super pretty. Really good for like just a brown kind of like smoky eye look, and just pop that on the lid. It's super pretty. Like I said, it's like burgundy, golden, bronzy, whatever you would think of from a name called Solar. It's really nice. So that is the look. And it's super hard to focus on these flakes through camera. It just doesn't show up, and because I only have one lighting coming straight towards me, you're not seeing the depth that you would in real life lighting, where as you're moving, as you're walking, as you're turning your head, you're seeing different colors, and it picks it up better in real life. But just trust me, they are worth it. Like I said, if they are still on sale, then I'll write that in the description below, and I will definitely, either way, I will put the site in the description so you guys know where to buy them from. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.